Removing adhesive smears and grout haze promptly after ceramic tile installation ensures a polished, finished product and prevents permanent staining. Start by removing excess thinset or adhesive while it is still plastic using a damp sponge and a light scraping tool such as a plastic putty knife. Work diagonally across joints to avoid dragging material into seams. After grout has cured to its recommended initial set time, but before full hard cure, perform a grout haze cleanup using a neutral pH cleaner or a manufacturer-approved grout haze remover, following dilution instructions precisely and testing on a small area first. Use 2 buckets for sponging, one with clean water and one for wringing, changing water frequently to avoid redepositing haze or dust. For stubborn adhesive smears that have fully cured, soften the residue with a manufacturer-recommended solvent applied to a cloth and rub gently, or use a carbide scraper held at a shallow angle to prevent scratching the glaze. Rinse the entire surface thoroughly with clean water after any chemical use, then mop again with fresh water to remove residues and prevent streaks. Finally, protect joints while the final cure completes by keeping traffic off the area for the time the manufacturer specifies, and by placing felt pads on furniture you must move across the floor. Common mistakes include wiping too aggressively with contaminated water, which spreads grout haze instead of removing it, so change sponging water often and use clean rags. Another issue is using acidic cleaners like vinegar or muriatic acid on glazed or sensitive stone tiles, which can etch or dull the surface. Use neutral cleaners or products recommended by the tile and grout manufacturers. A third frequent problem is attempting to remove fully cured thinset without softening it first, which risks scratching the tile. Apply the appropriate solvent, let it sit per instructions, then gently lift residue with a plastic scraper. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and read project experiences related to post-installation cleaning and more. We help contractors list their services, find jobs, and participate in community conversations that improve workmanship and outcomes.